It's funny how I was about to say how easy it was to navigate, and then right when I said it, I was like, oh shit, I can't find my way. So I'm just doing a transit between one station to the other, going to the bike rental. And yeah, in this station, I gotta sort of either take the escalator or take the lift to go up to level 2. Alright, so it's a completely it's a over bridge, not a underground, is an overground. So on the Google Maps, it showed on the train, but there's like a twist. There's this twist here. So I'm quite interested to see what it is, if there's a view. So now I've just arrived the Odaiba station. I'm walking towards the rental company. My friend Kalis is actually riding over from where he's coming from. Can't remember the name, but yeah, he's gonna meet me here and he wouldn't tell me what bike he's riding. He sent me a little snippet, but I can't tell what it is. My guess is either like a classic Yamaha or Honda. Might be even a Kawasaki, I'm not sure. But yeah, we'll see what he surprises us with. For my bike, I'm riding the MT-07. Oh, I think I found the shop. Yeah, I think I found the shop. Should I cross here or should I cross there? Oh, I can cross here. No, I can cross there. Oh, I'll cross here. Okay. So close. I can smell it. Oh, we are here. We are here. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Is it okay I take camera? Is it okay? Okay. Yes, I do. 11 o'clock. Yeah. Of course.
And so signal is must. For example, right flag is all stop. Don't turn left, don't turn right.
Okay.
Of course, gone.
Very far, right?
Far?
Yeah.
How are you?
Okay, bro. I'm good.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you for.
Okay. Yeah. So if accident, can message this.
Yes, please.
24 hours. Okay.
Do you need a phone holder?
Yes, yeah.
Free. So can I check your phone size?
Yeah.
Please put here. Okay, I'll just a moment free.
Thank you. Where's your bike? You got a car? Oh, Kawa. The last thing I said was Kawa. I recorded. I was like, is it a Honda? Is it a Yamaha or is it a Kawa? I was like, yeah. But the ATC card is automatic. No need to.
It's automatic.
Yeah.
And you will pay at the end of the day.
Then we come back here. Yeah.
So,
Which store did you?
Tome.
Sorry.
Tome.
Tome. Tome. Yokohama.
So,
Ducati.
Same
ちょっと遠いよね。
そう、ちょっと遠い。
I thought you take the Ducati, bro.
no lah. Pakai
Mahal gila kan? 700 plus, right?
600 plus. Yeah.
Yeah, down here also got. This is the only Ducati they have.
I don't need another monster.
SP though.
I know,
SP.
it doesn't matter. Still a monster.
New glove on. Let's go. Oh.
Apa last sikit? Rasa sikit dia manja.
Oh. This is a track machine, bro.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Let's go, buddy. Woohoo! Stay with me. No, 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 no. This bike is super comfortable. Those police, yo. We just got out and straight away we see Japanese police. So many years ago, 14 years ago, my first ever touring ride to Malacca on our 2B bikes was with this guy. And we've not done a lot of touring together. We've done KL, that's about it, right?
Yeah.
And then a few rides in Malaysia, and then a lot of rides in Singapore.
Yep.
But then this is the first time we're doing it in Japan, in Japan, in Tokyo. So yeah, first stop right after we got the bike is to get and to have a look at the Gundam and take a photo there, because none of us are Gundam fans actually.
Yeah.
But it's a life-size Gundam. What the fuck? This mofo is huge. Wow. You mesmerized by this.
Yeah. Very big.
Very big. The unicorn very big.
Very sharp.
Very sharp. So we're stuck in the jam right now. On Google it says 18 minutes and we're not even on the bridge yet. I'm kind of glad I'm on this bike and not on this bike. 20 minutes on that. Good luck, bro.
Welcome to the countryside, bro.
I saw you turn left to the solid lah. You see a group of people there riding?
I saw, I not to them,
They
bro.
were, yeah, they were.
Welcome to my hometown.
Solid, bro. I saw, I was like, please turn left, like, yes!
10 kilometers so now, the roads are very slow.
Yeah. Look at that. This is a surfing area.
Yeah.
You go bring your swimming stuff, not?
Underwear.
I go bring my shorts. But the water will be cold lah.
Yeah, usually they bring their own boats, though.
Sometimes got rental.
I'm not gonna do that.
I mean, I don't have to surf lah. I can just want to go in the water. Just touch the sea. Yeah, cool. Go je.
When we are staying, we can do that, bro.
Okay.
When we are staying, I purposely choose the beach. It's very far from now. It's quite distant. Very far. Still.
Like longer than just what we did?
It's all small roads.
Oh.
But
first meal together just arrived.
So this is a 1988.
Wow. Oh, is this okay?
Yeah,
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
correct.
Oh. So this is like our first rest stop since we left. Oh, was it Kamikura? No. Just now? Makan? Kamakura, yeah. This is the first pit stop since we left Kamakura. And the ride has been, in short, this is my expression throughout the ride. I've gone, bro, I've been, what the hell? I've been like, damn, this is so beautiful. Every single turn, it reminds me a bit of like Great Ocean Road, with the scenic view. The weather is perfect. I couldn't ask for anything more perfect. And the views and the ride, the bike has been performing so well. Just look at this. This is the view I've been getting for the past hour. Riding, and we got another hour to go, and it's only like 4 p.m. Look at that. Just wow. It's what a motorbike brings to you. It's like just recharge, and the wind and the amazing weather is just like, oh my god. And all I'm wearing is a hoodie. I could be wearing something a little bit more, but I was sweating more in the when we started off, but now it's a bit chilly, but it's still good enough with the glove. I have like my Nox leather gloves. I got my clean boots, and just simple jeans, my Resurgence jeans, which I've owned for the past 5 years. Broke on me today. The button broke. I couldn't repair it, so I chucked it away. But yeah, I'm just using normal jeans. Unfortunately, I did bring protective gear, but yeah, that's okay. But yeah, I'm in love with this area. It's what an experience. I wish I could jump into the sea, but I'll probably freeze my kahunas off. And also, like, we've gone through a lot of nice tunnels. There's so many beautiful motorbikes. Also, a lot of like cafe racers, a lot of Harleys. Even people like, I can see the cafe racer sort of culture is stronger here, because people might be riding like normal street bikes, but they still want to put on that like cafe racer look with the helmet and stuff like that. And everyone's so friendly, everyone's so polite. I think that just in general, the country makes me want to be politer than normal. Like, I've always like given people way and put people in the lift first, like, you know, that kind of stuff, like naturally. But I don't know, I just want to be even more polite, more nice. Yeah, I guess just this place just brings that out of you. Alright, enjoy one last final view before we pick up and go to our next stop. I wanted to do this now when the light's still up. I'm not sure how dark it will get in about an hour's time. It's like consistently gloomy weather. The only bad part about that was we couldn't see Mount Fuji when we were back at the previous restaurant. If it was clear, we could have seen it. But other than that, it's been amazing. Like, we've seen people surfing, windsurfing, fishing. Yeah, no, I've just like compiled a lot of things to say for this, so I just want to make sure I say it before I forget. Yeah, at least have to entertain me, my vloggingness. If you had to sum up our ride today in a sentence, what would you say?
In a sentence,
Okay, in whatever way you want.
I would say my back is breaking.
Yeah, yeah.
My back is breaking.
Clearly.
But still breathtaking.
Your back is breaking but still breathtaking, huh? That's the saying of the...
Yes, back is breaking but breathtaking.
We're in Izu now. Look at this. What a view. Wow. Stunning. We've been riding for 5 hours, and the moment we parked, it starts drizzling. What in the world? Our luck. We are so lucky, bro. Alright, take care, bikes. We'll see you later. Tomorrow. Time to rest. Oh yeah, we also did about 200 kilometers and 5 hours already. I thought I'll show you our... I'm not sure if this is called the real cut or well, this is our room. It's the view. Pretty awesome. And our bikes are just down there.
Oh, sorry. So, good morning from Izu, or the nearest town is Shizuoka. Huh? All the way? Shizuoka. Can see my nose. Okay. Dah.
Sweet check. Yeah, that was a good night's rest. We had dinner just up this hill at this place called Oto. Very nice takoyaki? No? Yeah, izakaya. I know the difference. Got home and just slept. There was a violent snorings between the two of us. And then someone tried to murder me at night with his feet. But we survived. Alright, next we're going to the petrol station. Mr. ZX6R needs to pump because he rode a lot more than I did. And then we are going to find a really cool, how do I say, loop. We'll check it out. And then we are going back up towards Tokyo after this to our second hotel. Yeah, so today will be about, well, the distance is about 2-hour ride. But with lunch, with like stops and stuff, it might be about 4 hours, 4.5. Yeah. Yeah, it's asking me a question.
What is this? QR no need. Okay.
Ready for round 2?
Let's go, buddy.
Imagine just like being able to ride this every day in this weather. Oh my god. So we're gonna make a right turn here, going towards the loop. Goodbye coastal. It was beautiful while it lasted. We've literally just turned in to go through the mountain. And we see all of this. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, you got windmills up there. It's beautiful. This is more for good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Holy shit. Wow. So while heading to the loop that we saw earlier, Kalis realized that the Seven Waterfalls is like right next to it. So we thought, hey, let's just might as well take a detour. But yeah, didn't you see how awesome the mountains were? Like we're right in it. Right in it. Look at all that. What do you think that is? Like artichoke?
This?
Yeah. Like a oh my god.
I think.
I think you're right. Yeah. Wasabi. You see
Kawazu Seven Falls, they call it. Okay,
So it depends how many we want to see.
500 meters. This is like a kilometer.
That's okay, about kilometer there, kilometer back though. Let's go for a hike with my dropping pants. So these plants are left here with price tags on them and nobody attending to it. And you just like put your cash inside and
There's a
pick it
bag
up
there also.
and pick it up and go. And there's even bags. Oh my god. Honestly, it's just such a nice walk and so cooling. I mean, a little bit chilly, but perfect weather. Quite romantic, huh, Kali?
What are we holding hands?
Pinky. Whoa. Oh, what is this? What the hell? Why is this thing there?
That one is
Oh. I'm so happy right now. So beautiful. Crazy. $240 to the waterfall that we want to see. Hopefully we get to see the jade statues.
Eggs, that's fresh. Look at that.
Lick.
So fresh.
Here.
Oh,
What is it? Oh! You pay 100 for the stones and then you throw. Should we try to translate? See what it says?
try to catch. I think try to catch inside that hole there.
It's like a bird's nest.
$1 to throw stone.
We have arrived! It's so worth it. Looks so good. If you want to go to the next waterfall, probably have to climb all of that. But I don't know. I'll leave it up to Mr. Kalis. So Mr. Kalis, what do you think? Do you want to head back or do you want to?
I think we should continue on our bike journey to the next spot.
lunch break. So over here, you just feel like you don't want to ride fast. Like if you feel like the bike can push, but I'd rather ride slower. Like we've been riding at 30, 40, 75 at most. There's not a lot of highway. It's mostly like B roads. You just want to enjoy the atmosphere. And I'm so happy I took a 700. Actually, we could even do it with an X-Max or a 400, you know what I mean? Like totally, and still have the same amount of fun. Yeah. But I was telling Kalis we should do this ride. Doesn't matter where in the world. We should promise ourselves to do a ride together at least once a year. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter how long. It could be a 2-day ride, it could be a 3-day ride. Doesn't matter where, but we should promise ourselves just to put it in our schedules so that we can do this kind of amazing trips, eat good food. So that's a yes, right, Mr. Kalis?
Yeah.
It's caught on video.
So this is custard.
The one we've been looking forward to the most.
I think I'll show the Rumi donut store. It's very cute though. She's doing the same loser to you.
Oh yeah.
Oh dude. Come on, the custard.
It's so light.
Yeah.
So good. Good choice, buddy.
Custado.
Custado. You are a custado. Look at the view. So my very sweet friend, after booking the first hotel, asked me how much my budget was for the second one, and I said anything under 100, and he thought it was 100 altogether, not 100 each, and he booked us a love hotel. Yeah, check it out. What box?
It's more square one.
What is this? Oh my lord! Lucky we don't use. But to be fair, it's comfortable. Amenities are amazing. Shower has the bathtub and a jacuzzi, and the pressure is the best, better than my own house. So, other than the part that we cannot lock the door when we leave, but we can lock the door from the inside. Oh, good morning, Ninja. Yeah. So this will be a final goodbye after about 400 kilometers in 2 days. Hard riding, but beautiful roads, beautiful weather. Couldn't ask for anything more. Okay, bye.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.